Hi there, welcome back to another video. In today's yoga flow, we'll be fixing our posture. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. First thing first, sit up straight comfortably in any position in Sukhasana or in half Sukhasana. Sit comfortably, try to keep your spine straight like a water falling from your back. It should fall directly. Take a moment to align yourself with your breath. Focus on your inhalation and exhalations. If possible, try to keep your eyes closed to have more centeredness. And once you feel ready, open your eyes and bring your hands at the back of your neck. We'll begin by warming up and stretching our neck. While we move it forward to backward, we'll be very gentle and mindful. We are not supposed to jerk our neck, so we will do it very nicely. We'll support our neck and we try to look back from the sides while keeping the alternative elbow pointing towards in the front. We do both sides 3 rounds. Now stretch both the arms, take the elbow and the upper arm support and try to give a nice stretch to the sides. Remember to keep the shoulder open. Do not round your back. Now change your side to the other side. This time take the support from the right elbow and extend the left hand, keeping the shoulder blades open. And now come back to center. Take hands above your head, interlock both the fingers together. Try to give a gentle back bend to your back. Now gently fold forward and try to go as down as you can. Come back to the center. Again, go back for a gentle back bend with the inhale and with the exhale, come forward. Now leave the palms and take elbow support and try to relax over here while holding your hands over your cheeks. Breathe. Now bring your hands over your elbows or at the thighs. Now take hands in front of your body. Make fist, open your fingers. Bring some momentum in your wrist, in your finger, in your overall hand. While you squeeze, you're being very mindful about it. Extend to the sides. Bring some swings in your arms. Up to down 10 times. And relax. Now take hands at the back of your hips and try to give a nice stretch to your upper back and your shoulders. Come back to center. Take hands over your head by interlocking them. Stretch it to the sides. First give a nice stretch to right side of your body by bending it to left side. Back to the center. And now stretch it to the other side. Hold the pose and breathe. Release hands. Now take hands over your shoulder, make big round circles clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Bring some mobility over your shoulders. And now from here, get into figure 4 where your hips and knees are in a line and shoulders and palms are in a line. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine. You can keep your toes tucked in or out as per your choice. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, look up. And exhale, look at the navel. Inhale, exhale. And now sit back while keeping the knees little open. Sit over your hips. over your heels. And now take your hands in front of the body in cactus arms and try to open and create some good momentum in your upper spine and in your shoulder blades. As you inhale, you bring the hand closer to each other, and exhale, you open up. Now relax a bit while extending the arms, and now lie over your yoga mat on your belly. Take hands in a relaxed position first, and then keep them a little far from your body, right next to your shoulders. Keep the elbow. Practice the simple back bend. Hold the pose for a couple of rounds. You can look towards the right heel and then at the left heel to create some great momentum in your back bend while engaging your neck and the spine. Back to center. Relax, but keep breathing. Hold it. You'll feel a nice stretch in your whole spine, especially in your lower back and in your upper back. And once you feel comfortable, come down and relax in Makarasana. Bring the hand next to your body and practice some good mobility drills for your shoulder blades. Practice 3 to 5 rounds. And after that, bring your palms right next to the shoulder, and then with inhale, get into a Bhujangasana. Go as high as you can. Do not compromise your spine, do not round your shoulders, and with exhale, come down. And then again inhale, get into a higher Bhujangasana. Breathe. Come down. Inhale. This time try to look to the sides of the heels. Right first and then left. Come back to the center. Relax. Now fold your both legs together. Try to grab the shin bone or top of the toes and practice bow pose, Dhanurasana. As you inhale, you lift up and hold it. Hold it to 3 rounds, and with exhale, come down. Do not release your legs. Keep the stance active, and then with inhale, practice again. And exhale, relax. Extend legs at the back and breathe. Now from here, gently get onto the side, the left side of your body. Fold left foot right next to the left knee, and then practice the side plank with modification while keeping the elbow grounded, extending the right hand up. As you inhale, you lift up your left hip and look at the thumb, and then with exhale, come back. Of course, change your side to the right side. This time, right hip goes down, and with inhale, you lift up. Hold it if you can, and then exhale, come back. Inhale, lift again, and exhale, come back. Inhale one last time, and exhale, come back. From here, sit up straight in Dandasana while extending both the legs in front of the body, engaging the sit bone hips together. Bringing the foot closer to your body. Inhale, hands up, and exhale, fold forward. You can fold your knees for a better grip, or you can keep your hands at the big toes or at the knees or at the shin bones. And with exhale, you come back to neutral position, and with inhale again, practice whichever modification suits you well. And be in the forward fold. It's okay to do not drop your head down, and with exhale, come back. We will practice some twist. Fold your right knee, place the feet next to the left thigh. Bring your right hand back of right next to the right thigh, and using the other elbow, align yourself and twist to the right. Hold it. Come back to center. This time fold the left foot, and this time twist towards the left side. Keep breathing. And when you exhale, first release the hand and then come back to the center. From here, gently fold both the feet together while keeping them as close as possible to the groin, and practice Baddha Konasana. Try to practice it very mindfully. Practice 5 to 8 rounds of Baddha Konasana. Holding both feet together helps for a better mobility. And you can drop your hands in front of the body while folding forward in Baddha Konasana. Hold the position for as long as you want. Remember to breathe. And with every exhalation, try to get little deeper into the pose. And then gently with inhale, you lift your head up and back to the neutral position. You can continue keeping your eyes closed or open as per your choice. And from here, get into Vajrasana while keeping the knees broad open to the sides of the yoga mat. And with inhale, you fold forward and get into a child pose. Here, you try to go as deep as possible in the child pose while bringing the heels and hips together. It's okay to use any support if you need to for your hips, and stretch your hands in front of the body and try to get deep down over the yoga mat while bringing the chest more close to the yoga mat. Try to relax in this pose, but stay active as I give instructions. With every exhalation, you try to bring your forehead or chin closer to the mat. You keep your chest open, hands stretched. You feel a good stretch in the upper part of your hand. Try to lower down your hips. Do not compromise on your spine stance. Keep it straight and relax. Relax completely. And whenever you feel relaxed, look ahead and gently sit up straight while keeping the eyes closed still. And bring your knees together. Take a moment to breathe over here. And whenever you feel ready, rub your palms and gather the energy. And you go ahead with your rest of the day with a greater posture where you feel more comfortable and rejuvenated. If you have liked anything about the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, Keep practicing, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, keep practicing and bye bye.